Tired of not making money from your 9-5 job or side hustle? I'm going to show you 5 untapped ways to make thousands of extra dollars from home every month. These methods require action, means these are not get-rich-quick schemes. Hi, I'm Amol from Web Hustle Guide channel. Here I help you build side hustles, online businesses, making money online beyond 9-5. Now let's dive into 5 untapped ways how to make money online. The first untapped new way to make money is through the newsletter business model. Newsletter is drafting, creating, and distributing content to subscribers via email. Via newsletter, individuals or business can make lots of money through traditional methods like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling services, or charging for subscription-based content. But let me share a new untapped way to how you can make money. It's called as Boosts, the Beehive newsletter platform feature. It is nothing but recommending other newsletters to subscribers, and when they opt into boosted recommendation you get paid. To get started, ensure your newsletter is compelling and valuable to attract subscribers and promotions. Isn't this a unique way to make money? So do you want to earn by promoting others' newsletters? Then try Beehive's 30-day trial and get 20% off from link in the description. Next side hustle is the one-person business model. You might think, how can one person handle everything? The key is automation and outsourcing. As a solo entrepreneur, you leverage tools and outsource tasks to run your business efficiently. Step 1. Start by identifying the product or service you can offer, like digital products, coaching, or online courses. Step 2. Use platforms like Shopify for e-commerce or Teachable for online courses. Step 3. Automate routine tasks with tools like Zapier and manage customer relationships with CRM software like HubSpot. Step 4. You make money by selling your products or services directly to customers. Automating processes and outsourcing tasks that aren't your core competency frees up time to focus on growing your business and maximizing profits. This model allows you to operate a profitable business independently without needing a large team. Third lucrative side hustle is service arbitrage. It is best untapped side hustle without you doing anything. It means, you find clients who need a service, then you hire someone else to do that work for a lower cost, and earn a profit from the difference. For example, post a gig on Upwork to attract clients seeking services like graphic design, content writing, or web development. Once you secure a project, hire a freelancer from Fiverr, often at a lower cost, to complete the work. This approach lets you earn a margin on the difference between what you charge the client and what you pay the freelancer. This method enables you to build a scalable and lucrative freelance business without directly performing the work. Fourth hustle is consulting. What's unique about consulting? You leverage your knowledge and skills to offer expert advice to clients. Start by identifying your area of expertise and the specific problems you can solve for clients. Network with potential clients through LinkedIn or industry events. You make money by charging clients for your consulting services, either on an hourly basis, through retainer agreements, or by offering packages for specific projects. Additionally, you can create scalable products like e-books, online courses, or webinars to reach a broader audience and generate passive income. Consulting is a highly lucrative business model that allows you to monetize your expertise while providing valuable solutions to clients. To get started, create your portfolio and professional one-page website using Card to showcase your services. Whether it's a personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something a bit more elaborate, Card has covered everything for you. The best part, it is simple and totally free. While optional Pro plan has many features which you can see. So try card.co for free from link in the description. Lastly, selling digital products like ebook, courses, templates is an excellent way to make money. Unlike physical goods, digital products have virtually no overhead costs and can be sold an unlimited number of times. Imagine creating an ebook, an online course, or digital artwork that customers can download instantly. Make your dream of making money into reality. With the right marketing strategy, you can turn digital products into a consistent passive income source. Want to get started easily and learn the secrets of selling digital products without investment? Then grab my friend's ebook, How to Sell Digital Products and Make a Living from It. Check the link in description to get it. Each of these side hustle idea requires an action and can lead to substantial income if done correctly. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos above for more side hustles, and check all resources in description. Any question? Leave that in comments. See you next time.